Namaste. So, shall we do a Kshetriya Padam today?
हाँ.
Or Sabapati?
We'll do shape.
Muvanallur Sabapati.
Okay. Whatever you want to teach me today.
See, we were discussing and we thought we'll teach you this Parakya Naika Padam, which is in Rag Sahana and Chaputala.
Okay.
But that is not a Kshetriya Padam. I can do that later if you want, and we can do this one. Tari Chuchunadi now. In Shankarabhana. Which one would you prefer?
We'll do the Parakya.
The Sabapati? Okay.
Chagasugada.
Raga. Okay, in this particular piece, she's a Mugda. If you take down the words, it's Mugudochi Pilachedu, Poi Vattuna, Preeti Maruvakura Swami. So she has had her dalliance with Krishna. She's a young girl. But now a man has come to claim her. And so she's saying that, maybe when I was very young, somebody had tied the knot and I got married. Now that man has now come to claim me. So what do? I have to go with him because that's what everyone expects me to go with, this man who says he's my husband. But yours and my love that we had, that we shared, please always remember that.
So
Please
she's
don't
telling
forget.
Krishna.
She's telling Krishna.
Okay.
So she comes looking for him in the first part, what we normally do. She sees Krishna, in Vrindavan, playing his flute or doing whatever he was doing. So we start from the Anupallavi, which is describing Krishna. Sogusugada Nadu, Sukuna Venugopaladu. The beautiful, handsome Krishna that you are, and one who has beautiful mind and soul, noble soul. And good natured, Sukuna Venugopala. Sukuna is good natured, so guna, right? So Balya Mundano Emo, Battu Katna Vadu. So when I was young, or possibly, I believe that man tied tali, Battu Katna, to me. So this is also, it shows that in those days there was child marriage. So people were married off as children and then they were allowed to grow up in each other's parents' houses. And when the time was appropriate, the man would come with his family to take his wife to his house when they both got matured or whatever. So now, in the meantime, she's met Krishna and she's fallen in love with him. So she's telling him, you're my first love. You're the person that I love so much. So please always remember that you're my love.
But then she's going with her husband.
She has to go with her husband. That's the compulsion of her life and her reality. So she's sad that she's leaving Krishna. She's a Mugda. She loves Krishna and she's afraid to counter protocol. So she's not a person who can just say, no, it's okay, my parents can think what I want and I'm with Krishna. Or someone's calling her, no, I have to go because he's calling me. But our love, please remember. Yeah. So we'll start with the Anupallavi. The Pallavi is Mugudochi Pilachedu, Voi Vattuna, Preeti Maruvakura Swami. My husband has come to take me. I have to go, what can I do? But yours and my love, please don't ever forget Swami. That is the Pallavi. The Anupallavi is when she addresses him. Sogusugada Nadu, Sukuna Venugopaladu. Then I was married. So how can she just come and say, I'm going with somebody? So she has to give a context to it. So that's why we take the Anupallavi first. To give the context to the whole song, when you're trying to choreograph it, you have to contextualize the song. You have to put it in order. Otherwise, you can't go back and forth.
Like the setting.
Yeah, like a setting of it. She's come, she has to tell him, what's the first thing she'll tell him? She can't say Samugudochi Pilachedu. He'll say, what, when did you get married? I didn't know you were married. So she'll say, even I didn't know I was married. So that's why, Balya Mundano Emo, she says, no? So that part we do first. I believe when I was young, I was married. When I was young, they tell me I was married. Now that man has come. So I have to go with him. He's my husband. Otherwise, Krishna will ask, who's your husband? What? I mean, I didn't know you were married. Yeah, that kind of a thing. Okay. So first Raga Alpane, mm, where she has come looking for. She's young. She's a young girl. So she's coming. She knows where Krishna is available. So she enters.
It's their regular meeting.
Raga, huh? It's not a regular meeting because she's sad. She's come to tell him some information. There's a certain anxiety in her. Also, the anxiety of having to go because the people waiting for
They're
her.
waiting. So she
Yeah.
has to run
So
back.
she has to run back. She has to tell him whatever she has to tell him, and run back. So that anxiety is there in her. Yeah. Okay. So, what I actually did was I came. You know I looked for him. And I said, where could he possibly be? I mean, then I see some cows going.
Is he
Could he
with
be
the
near
cows?
is he with the cows? No, maybe he's not there. So you can elaborate on that and do whatever you want. I mean, anything that you think would give you hope that Krishna maybe. Maybe you can go to the banks of Yamuna. And is he there? Is he with the water? Then check the banks of Yamuna. No, he's not there also. So where could he be? So you can elaborate on that for however long you want. And then finally when you see him, and there's that passion and sadness that you have to give him the sad news. Yeah, it's not just passion or just sadness, but it's like, I want to tell him. Now how do I tell him? Do I tell him? How will he feel if I tell him? What will he say? No, I have to tell him. I have to tell him, because how can I go without telling him? And you go, and then he's playing the flute, so beautiful. I wish I could just, stay like lose myself in this, listening to his flute forever. How beautiful it is, all that. But then no, I have to tell him, because he's seen me. And then Sogo Sugada. Okay? So we'll do the Raga Alapane first, and then you can then take the Anupallavi.
Should I stand?
Yeah, she will just sing the Raga, just the Raga. You want to stand and do? You can just sit and do. Yeah, sit and do. We can do the standing later.
na 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 kadari na 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 suga sugada nadu sugune venu gopala suga sugada nadu sugune venu gopala soga sugada nadu suguna venu gopala soga sugada nadu suguna venu gopala soga sugada nadu suguna venu gopala.
Okay, so what are the many other ways that you can do it? Soga Sugada Nadu, this beautiful man who is mine. You're mine, okay? You're in my heart. Nadu. Suguna Venugopala, good-natured Venugopala. Your flute is beautiful, your sound is beautiful, your talk is beautiful. You are so beautiful. There's so many other ways. So when you sit down and do a padam like this, then you have so many images of Krishna doing so many things. So all that imagery that you have in your mind, you have to bring it when you're describing him in front of him, because you're telling him all this and then the bad news comes next. So he's saying, yeah, she's telling me I'm good natured, I'm handsome, I'm good natured, I'm handsome, I'm good natured, I'm handsome, and then the bad news will start. So basically that, of that whole flattery, building up this whole thing. La Soga Sugada.
Soga sugada
I know she first said Nadu Suguna
venu gopala soga sugada nadu suguna venu gopala soga sugada nadu suguna venu gopala soga sugada nadu suguna venu gopala soga sugada nadu.
Even the cows come and sit.
Whatever.
There are many different ways of doing this, and you can do this whole just the Pallavi for half an hour if you want. I mean, that is, it allows that kind of a scope. The second line, she said this. So how does she come to the second line? She can't just go on praising him and then sit there and not come to what she's saying. So she had to connect it. So last, next line.
Soga sugada nadu suguna venu gopala balya mundanu
Eno.
Bettu gadina vadu balya
when I was playing. They just took my hand.
ಬಾಲ್ಯ ಮೂಡೇನು ಏನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಾಡು ಬಾಲ್ಯ ಮೂಡೇನು ಏನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು
Yeah, she's more interested in playing. What do you want me to do? Okay, you want me to go around the fire? Okay, I'll go around the fire. I'll come back and sit here. I want to play. I'm in the middle of playing and you ask me to go around the fire. So she does not even know the importance of that whole ritual. So throughout
so
this,
young.
she was so young. She's saying I was just playing with my friends and I was saying, and my father came and said, what? I said, what? He says, come. He took my hand and he made some man tie it, I believe. You know, they're saying. And I was playing ball and I was so happy. I said, what? What? Why are you calling me? What do you want? Okay. What, this fire? Okay, you want me to go around? Okay, I'll go around. Okay, I want to go back and play. You know, so she has no implication
At all of the whole.
of the marriage. She has no memory of the marriage. She's saying, I believe I did this. I believe I went around. But what? I was a baby. No, I was playing ball. I was playing with my friends. I was going, doing Ringa Ranga Roses going down. I was dancing with them and playing with them. And they said, put garland to somebody. So I said, okay, give me the garland. Okay, fine. Now let me go and play. So I did that. So that is the, expression over here. It's I believe I was so young that I don't even have memory of it. And I believe I did all this when I was so young. So will you try it? Okay. From Sogusukara 2 times she'll sing. I shall sing Balya Mundanoya.
ಸೊಗಸುಗಾಡ ನದು ಸುಗುಣ ವೇಣುಗೋಪಾಲ ಸೊಗಸುಗಾಡ ನದು ಸುಗುಣ ವೇಣುಗೋಪಾಲ ಮಾಲ್ಯ ಮೂಡನು ಏನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಗಡಿನ ವಾಡು ಬಾಲ್ಯ ಮೂಡನು ಏನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಗಡಿನ ವಾಡು ಬಾಲ್ಯ ಮುಂಡೇನು ಏನು ಬಟ್ಟು ಗೇಟಿನ ಮಾಡು ಬಾಲ್ಯ ಮುಂಡೆ
That's sand, just building sand.
ಏನು ಬಟ್ಟು
What?
ಗೇಟಿನ ಮಾಡು ಬಾಲ್ಯ ಮುಂಡೇನು ಏಡು ಬಟ್ಟು ಗಟ್ಟಿನವಾಡು ಬಾಲ್ಯ ಮುದನು ಹೇಗೋ ಬಟ್ಟು ಗಟ್ಟಿನವಾಡು ಬಾಲ್ಯ
Okay? So there's so many ways of doing it. He took my hand, I believe, and I promised him I'll be his wife, I believe. I didn't know, I didn't even know, no. So how do I know? That I garlanded him, I don't know, I don't remember going through the fire, I don't remember anything. And now that man who I don't remember has come to take me. What do I do? Krishna, please help me. What do I have to go, na? So you also will tell go, no? You will not say stay back here. That's the next line. Where I have to go. But in this Anupallavi, this whole expanse of coming, looking for Krishna, the whole expanse of explaining to him, describing him, in that Sogusukada Nadu, Suguna Venugopalu, you're telling him how much you love him. And then how beautiful he is, how much you love everything about him, his form, his music, his everything, his speech, his whatever. But that man, when I was young, when I was young, he has come, and I believe I've done this when I was young. I don't know. No, I don't have any memory of it. No, I believe I gave my hand and I said, how do I know? I was so young. Now you tell me what should happen. That is, you should establish that completely, you know, and it's so important. How much more?
So you want to dance from Sogasuga?
Yeah, until here.
Okay.
Hmm?
Sogasuga.
Yeah, bigger.
Yeah. Sogasuga.
Alright.
Yeah. Tadari. ಸುಗುಣ ವೇಣುಗೋಪಾಲ ಸೊಗಸುಗಾಡ ನಾದು ಸುಗುಣ ವೇಣುಗೋಪಾಲ ಸೊಗಸುಗಾಡ ನಾದು ಸುಗುಣ ವೇಣು ಗೋಪಾಲ ಸೊಗಸುಗಾಡ ನಾದು ಸುಗುಣ ವೇಣು ಗೋಪಾಲ ಸೊಗಸುಗಾಡ ನಾದು ಸುಗುಣ ವೇಣು ಗೋಪಾಲ ಸೊಗಸು ಗಾಡ ನಾದು ಸುಗುಣ ವೇಣು ಗೋಪಾಲ ಸೊಗಸು ಗಾಡ ನಾದು ಸುಗುಣ ವೇಣು ಗೋಪಾಲ ಬಾಲ್ಯ ಮುಳ್ದೇನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಗತಿನ
Vadu. He.
ಬಾಲ್ಯ ಮುಳ್ದೇನು ಏನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಗತಿನ ಬಾಲ್ಯ ಮೋದನು ಏನೋ ಬಟ್ಟು ಗಟ್ಟಿನ ಮಾಡು ಬಾಲ್ಯ ಮುದನು 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 ಏನೋ ಬಟ್ಟು ಗಟ್ಟಿನ ಮಾಡು.
The best thing to do when you do a padam like this, where you have to go on increasing the repetitions and doing it many times over, is to write down. So when we were young and we were taught dance by our teachers, our gurus, we always had a thing and we would write down every hand. So you could fix it and bring in the emotional content later to it. See, the thing is that if you use too many hands, then the story, that the statement gets a little distorted
Smudged.
and smudged. Yeah, because there's no clarity in what exactly you're trying to say. So if you got to say exactly what you're trying to say, then it's nice if the hands come when that particular word comes. But in the meantime, you've already established through your expression what you're doing. So, like for example, Vadu is him, or Vadu is him. You know, Vadu. Vadu. I believe he's got a mush also now. You know, it's what. So what do I do? How do I think? You know, that kind of a thing. So she's sharing with a person that she's completely, totally in love with, about a person she knows nothing about, and with whom she's going to spend the rest of her life, and she's going, to be with him. So that is the context of this one,
This particular.
this particular piece. The next time that you come, we'll do the Pallavi, of this piece.
So
that
I should write down all the hands.
I
and
think you
fix.
should write down the hand so that you know exactly what you're trying to convey each time. So, and also, it'll be nicer if you can change sides so that you won't be in the same side all the time.
Okay.
If you're addressing only one side of the audience all the time, then you lose your connect with the thing. So when you think about time and space of choreographing Abhinaya especially, because it doesn't give you much scope for movement, you should build your own little movements here and there. Whether it means addressing someone, whether it means going back, whether it's embarrassing. So if you stand up and do it, you probably will be able to do a little adjustment of space and the feeling of am I addressing on one side too much and leaving out another side completely without addressing that issue on the other side at all. Yeah. So we'll do the Pallavi next class that you come.